Good morning, everyone. Right now I'm getting ready for work. I'm gonna do a quick makeup and I forgot my earrings upstairs. I'm gonna get it. I like to wear earrings every day, but anyways. While I'm doing my makeup, at the same time I'm eating my breakfast with coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead, do my makeup real quick because I'm running out of time. I don't have much time. I woke up late, so let's do it. Alright, now I am ready to work. Saturday. I don't like working weekends, but I do work weekends. So see you later, guys. Hello, everyone. You wanna say hi to them? You wanna say hi to them? Say hi. Hi. So mommy just... You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? That's why you're saying hi to them? Okay, I've been home already since 4 hours already. So I got home and relaxed my feet because it's been a long day. A long walking at work. Too much walking at work, so every time I got home, first thing I do, like, relax my legs. Oh, okay. My feet, because my work is a lot of walking all the time. So I grabbed some stuff at the store, and I got rotisserie. I can say I got rotisserie chicken for dinner. Green beans, fresh green beans. So I just cook it with butter and add. Okay. All right. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. And I just cook with butter and add a little bit seasoning on the green beans. I like how I cook it like that. Also, I cook rice to go with chicken and green beans that I just cook it into butter and add a little bit seasoning on it. So yeah, that's our dinner for tonight. Do you want to eat green beans and chicken? Huh? You want to eat green beans and chicken? What's that? What is that? It's a spark. So yeah, that's our dinner for tonight. Do you want to go down? You want to say hi? You want to say hi to them? Wow, you want to say hi? Look, you want to say hi? Hi. You want to say hi? Okay, you want to play? So let's eat. It's what time is it? It's 6:25 in the evening, so it's like right time to eat dinner. Do you want to play with that? Huh? You want to play with it? Okay, hold on. Mommy's gonna take it off. There you go. You want to play with it? Don't drop it, okay? Wow, do you want watch? Okay, I'll show you guys what I got in the store before I go home. Our dinner for tonight. So I got this chicken and I cook green beans. That's the green beans, so yummy. Very flavory, and my rice is cooked already. So that's my dinner. Rice with green beans and chicken. Okay guys, I'm so hungry, so me and Ella are gonna eat real quick and we'll be right back. Okay, after dinner, so I'm gonna include a quick haul that I got in the store earlier before I go home. So I love wearing flip-flop or slippers inside the house. I like it because when I'm going to shower, I can still wear my slippers or flip-flop in the tub. So I'm not worried like damaging it because it's rubber. So I picked two. They have only one left, size 6. So I grabbed the other one, size 7. Because I love to wear slippers inside the house. This is my old one that I got in the store too. And by the way, this is on sale already for $3. I don't want to buy it online because online they're like double the price. So so this one is a better price at Walmart. Actually, they're on sale. Again, actually, they're on sale for $3 each. So I got two for $6. It's still like so cheap for two sleepers or flip-flop. If I'm gonna buy it online, probably like $13 or $14 for just one pair of sleepers. So that's very good deal. And also, what you doing, Ayla? I got Ayla's pajama. It's a 2-pack of pajama. Actually, they're on sale too. They're pack of 2. I got this one. I got this one top goes together, and the pajama, super cute, little pink girly. And also I got short sleeve. It goes with pajama too. And also I got her new socks because her socks is too small already. It's 6 to 18 months size of socks. In like how 10 pair of socks. And also I saw this in ladies department. It's so cute. It was on sale for $9. It's like summer long dress all the way. It's so long. It's so cute. For $9, why not? And I got the extra small size. It was $36 before. Now it's $9. That's not right. They lower the price more for $9. So cute, blue stripe long summer dress. Hi. You wanna say hi? Can you say mommy? Can you say mommy? How about can you say daddy? Can you say daddy? No? Can you say daddy? No? Okay. Can you say bye? Bye to them? Bye. See you on my next video.